Hi guys, I hope you all are doing very well. Guys, there's a great news for all the students who are looking for my classes in English language specifically. So guys, I was getting queries from a lot of students across the globe and they were saying that sir, you are helping a lot of students by providing your classes in Hindi and English mix, but we are also there and please provide classes in English, and I was getting a lot of queries from students. So from now onwards, I have planned that I will be providing the classes in specifically English language. So for that, I discussed the matter with my partner, who is a teacher of ACCA Knowledge and skill level subjects, and he teaches the subject in English. So when I discussed the matter with him, he was more than happy, and he said that yes, Anshul, you can provide my classes in your YouTube channel. So guys, he has provided me, for the time being, he has provided me ACCA F3 classes in English, which I have already uploaded on my channel. And for that, you can click on the description of this video and you will find a link over there. You can click on the link and you will see the playlist of ACCA F3 in English language. So guys, in that playlist, you will see that the first 5 videos are free of cost, and the remaining one, if you want to watch the remaining one, you will have to pay a reasonable amount, that is just INR 599. Okay, so you can just pay the amount and you can join my channel and you will be able to watch those videos. So first of all, there are two things I need to discuss. First is that for all the students who will join my channel to watch the English videos, I will create a separate group for them so that their queries can be discussed much faster, and I and Prashant will also be a part will also be a part of that group, and we will also be discussing and solving your queries. First thing. Second thing is, guys, there might be some students who are not able to find the join button on my channel. So for that also, you can go in the description of this video. You will find a link where when you can click, you can join my channel, and there is a level 2 option which is ACCA class in English. You have to join that to watch these videos. Further, there might be some students who are not able to pay. There are some errors. I have got queries from students that they say that sir, we are not able to pay the fees. So there are two things. First is that sometimes you need to ask your bank to activate international transactions, because by default some of the international transactions are not available, or they are uh, disabled. So you have to ask your bank if you are not able to pay the fees. And in case if you are not able to see the option join, then what you have to do, there are some settings in phone which is through VPN, and the entire process about for that you can see in the description of this video. Okay guys, so I hope you like my initiative, and I hope to get as much members as I can. Further, I will be coming up with F1, F2, F4, F5, F7 and F8 videos in English, that too very soon, and of course after seeing the response of F3. Okay guys, so I hope you like my initiative, and please spread this message to all your friends and knowns who were waiting and who are doing ACC and they need classes in English at a very reasonable rate. And please like this video if you like the content, and take care. Bye.